The importance of reading, listening, and speaking for fluent English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's video. If you want to improve your English, it's important to practice in different ways. Listening, reading, and speaking are three key skills that help you become better at English. Let's talk about why each one is important and how you can practice them every day. First, let's talk about listening. Listening is very important because it helps you understand how English sounds in real life. The more you listen, the better you'll get at understanding different accents, tones, and speaking styles. Listening also helps you learn new words and phrases. You can improve your listening by watching English videos, listening to podcasts, or even songs. When you listen carefully, you'll start to understand how sentences are put together, and you'll learn how native speakers talk. Try to listen to something in English every day, even for just a few minutes. Now, let's talk about reading. Reading is important because it helps you improve your vocabulary and grammar. When you read English books, articles, or even short stories, you see how words are used in sentences. This helps you learn new words and understand how to use them. You can start by reading simple books or online articles. The more you read, the more familiar you'll become with the language, and this will also help improve your writing and speaking. Reading every day is a great way to build your English skills. Finally, speaking. Speaking is the best way to practice what you've learned from listening and reading. The more you speak, the more confident you'll become. Don't worry if you make mistakes, it's part of learning. Speaking helps you improve your pronunciation and fluency. Try to speak in English every day, even if it's just talking to yourself or practicing with a friend. You can also join online groups to practice speaking with others. The more you speak, the better you'll get. Listening, reading, and speaking are all important for improving your English. When you listen, you learn how English sounds. When you read, you grow your vocabulary and learn new words. And when you speak, you practice using what you've learned. All three skills work together to help you become better at English. So, make sure you practice each of these every day. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more English tips and motivation. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.